Hello, welcome to Made by KM. I am Kaushik. In this video, I will show you how you can remove chlorine and chloramine from the tap water we use in our aquariums. Tap water from our local water supply often contains chlorine and chloramine. The water treatment facilities use these additives to disinfect the water and kill germs. But these additives are toxic to fish and must be removed from the water to keep our fish healthy, happy and alive. Now chlorine is considered to be extremely volatile and it evaporates easily, so it can be removed from the water by aerating the water using an air pump or an air stone. But aeration will not remove chloramine. For this we need a dechlorinating agent. Now the products that are available in the market are very expensive to use for a long time, so I will show you a method by which you can make a kind of dechlorinating agent very cheaply at home, and by using it you can easily remove chlorine and chloramine from your aquarium water. To make it, first take an empty 500 ml bottle, then pour 500 ml of distilled water or RO water in it. Then add 65 grams of sodium thiosulfate to it and shake it well until all the crystals get dissolved. Now this homemade chlorine remover is ready for use in the aquarium. Add 1 ml of this solution to every 10 gallons of water just after the water change. For example, if you have a 30-gallon tank and you change 50% of the water, add 1.5 ml of this solution to the aquarium right after the water change. It will instantly react with chlorine and remove it completely. This solution is totally safe for all aquarium fish, shrimp and plants. Even if it is given in excess by mistake, it will not be a problem. Try to use this solution within 12 months from the date of preparation and store it in a cool and dark place. So, if you find this video helpful, please press the like button and let me know in the comment section below if you have any queries. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.